Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, food explorers and travelers alike. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate guide to experiencing the world's most iconic and flavorful dishes. Today's journey is all about classic Asian foods that have captured the hearts and taste buds of people around the globe. From the delicate simplicity of sushi to the fiery delight of satay, we're going to explore iconic dishes that define the culinary richness of Asia. Asia is a continent with a rich and diverse culinary heritage, offering a dazzling array of dishes that blend ancient traditions with modern influences. If you've ever wondered why these foods are so universally loved, join us as we explore the stories and flavors behind some of the most cherished dishes from countries you may have never considered. Whether you're dreaming of a culinary vacation or preparing a feast at home, these dishes are ones that can't be missed. 1. Japan. Takoyaki, a savory street snack. While sushi might be the first dish that comes to mind when thinking of Japan, let's focus on another street food sensation, takoyaki. Originating from the city of Osaka, this savory snack is made of batter filled with octopus and topped with a variety of delicious condiments like takoyaki sauce, bonito flakes, and pickled ginger. What makes takoyaki so beloved is the combination of crispy, golden outer layers and a soft, flavorful center filled with tender octopus. This street food is best enjoyed fresh from a sizzling hot grill in Osaka's Dotonbori district. But it's a snack you'll find all over Japan. Its bite-sized portions and exciting texture make it an addictive treat for both locals and tourists alike. 2. Thailand. Som Tum, a spicy green papaya salad. Next up, let's turn to Thailand for a dish that's a hit with anyone who enjoys a bit of spice. Som Tum. This iconic green papaya salad is a medley of shredded papaya, chilies, fish sauce, lime juice, garlic, and tomatoes, often topped with roasted peanuts and dried shrimp. It's sweet, spicy, sour, and salty all at once. The best place to try som tum is at a local street stall in places like Chiang Mai or Bangkok, where you'll watch vendors craft your salad right in front of you, crushing the ingredients in a mortar and pestle for the freshest possible flavors. This dish offers a wonderful balance of textures and flavors, making it an essential part of Thai cuisine. 3. Malaysia. Char kway teow stir-fried noodles. While laksa is a famous Malaysian dish, we're going to switch gears and highlight char kway teow. This stir-fried noodle dish is a favorite among locals in Penang and Kuala Lumpur, made with flat rice noodles, prawns, Chinese sausage, egg, and bean sprouts. All fried together with soy sauce and garlic, char kway teow is rich in flavor and texture. The smoky flavor, also known as the wok hei, is a hallmark of this dish, created by stir-frying the ingredients over high heat. In Penang, this dish is often served at hawker centers and makes for a perfect indulgence when you need something savory, hearty, and utterly satisfying. 4. South Korea. Kimchi jjigae, a comforting stew. A meal in South Korea is rarely complete without kimchi, and one of the best ways to enjoy this iconic fermented vegetable is in kimchi jjigae, a hearty, comforting stew. Kimchi jjigae is made by simmering kimchi fermented cabbage, with tofu, pork, or beef, along with onions, garlic, and a bit of gochujang chili paste to add extra spice. This dish is perfect for cold evenings or family gatherings, often enjoyed with a bowl of steamed rice. It's a deeply flavorful dish that combines the spicy, sour, and umami characteristics of kimchi, making it a beloved classic in Korean homes. 5. Indonesia nasi goreng, fried rice with bold flavors. While satay is often associated with Indonesian street food, another iconic dish that deserves a spotlight is nasi goreng. This fried rice is a staple in Indonesia and throughout Southeast Asia, often served with a fried egg on top, shrimp, chicken, or vegetables, and seasoned with soy sauce, chili, and shallots. Nasi goreng is more than just fried rice. It's a dish that brings together a harmony of flavors, combining salty, spicy, and umami notes, often served with karapek crispy crackers on the side. It's the perfect meal any time of the day, whether as a quick breakfast or a hearty dinner. 6. Vietnam. Meat, a fusion of flavors in a sandwich? If you haven't tried meat, then you're missing out on one of Vietnam's most iconic and delicious dishes. This sandwich is a perfect fusion of French and Vietnamese cuisine, created by combining a crispy baguette with a variety of ingredients, such as grilled pork, pickled vegetables, cilantro, chili, and a spread of mayonnaise, or pea turd. Mee is a perfect example of how Vietnamese cuisine can blend influences from the country's colonial past with traditional Vietnamese flavors. Whether you're in the busy streets of Ho Chi Minh City or the vibrant markets of Hanoi, mee is a must-try street food that you'll never forget. 7. The Philippine sinigang, a tangy, comforting soup. In the Philippines, sinigang is a beloved dish that embodies the tart, savory, and umami flavors of Filipino cuisine. This tangy, flavorful soup is traditionally made with pork, though variations with fish or shrimp are common. Tamarind, the key ingredient for the tartness, and a variety of fresh vegetables like spinach, radish, and eggplant. The depth of flavor in sinigang comes from slow simmering, and it's a dish that brings families together around the table, especially during rainy days. Sinigang is a perfect example of how Filipino food celebrates fresh ingredients and bold flavors, making it a must-try for anyone visiting the Philippines. 8. India Chole Bhature, a hearty vegetarian delight. In India, chole bhature is a classic that you'll find in almost every corner of the country, but especially popular in the north. This dish features chickpeas chole cooked in a fragrant spiced gravy, served alongside bashora deep-fried fluffy bread. The combination of hearty spicy chickpeas and crispy bhature is a favorite among locals, often enjoyed as a filling breakfast or lunch. You'll find street vendors in Delhi and Amritsar dishing out this hearty meal to long lines of people craving comfort and flavor. It's a rich, satisfying, and spicy meal that's perfect for those who love bold flavors. 9. Taiwan Beef Noodle Soup, a savory classic. One of the most beloved dishes in Taiwan is beef noodle soup. This dish consists of tender, slow-cooked beef served in a savory, aromatic broth with wheat noodles, soy sauce, and a hint of Chinese spices. The beef is often simmered for hours, making it tender and flavorful, and the broth is infused with deep, savory notes. In Taipei, you'll find street vendors and restaurants serving up this comforting bowl, which has become a symbol of Taiwanese culinary identity. The rich, aromatic broth paired with tender beef and noodles makes this a comforting and satisfying meal for locals and visitors alike. 10. Singapore Chili Crab, a spicy seafood delight. Lastly, let's explore the iconic dish of Singapore, chili crab. This dish features crab cooked in a rich, spicy tomato-based sauce with a hint of sweetness and a little temps. It's a messy dish to eat, but that's part of the fun. Chili crab is often served with mantou, a type of steamed bun that's perfect for soaking up the flavorful sauce. This Singaporean classic is a must-try for anyone visiting the city-state, and it's best enjoyed with a group of friends or family. The balance of spice and sweetness in the sauce, combined with the tender crab, makes it an unforgettable experience. A world of flavors awaits. From the takoyaki of Osaka to the chili crab of Singapore, Asia offers a treasure trove of dishes that have withstood the test of time. These iconic foods represent the essence of their cultures and histories, and every bite takes you on a journey of discovery. Whether you're visiting these countries or recreating their flavors at home, each dish invites you to explore the vibrant culinary diversity of Asia. Thanks for joining us on this tasty adventure through Global Eats Uncovered. Don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more food-filled journeys across the globe. Let us know which iconic dish you can't wait to try. Until next time, happy eating.